Good morning everyone, so welcome to my video. So for this video, I will going to do all the packet tracer activity in this chapter. So let's start. So for this video, we're going to do the packet tracer activity in chapter 6. In activity 6.3.1.8 packet tracer, exploring internet working devices. So we have objectives here. Part 1, identify physical characteristics of internet working devices. Part 2, select correct modules for connectivity. Part 3, connect devices. So we have background. Part 1, identify physical characteristic. So identify the management port of Cisco router. Click this router. The physical tab should be active. Zoom in and expand the window to see the entire router, which management port are available. So in this part 1, step 1, I already do it all until the last step here. I'm done. I do it first before I video it. So for to less time consuming, of course. Then you can also read the step and instruction given here in this activity for you to understand how to do it properly, because it's complete the step already. You just need to follow it. So what this, I click this router, then physical, then you will see here the physical. So before you add port, you just need to turn off the switch before, because you cannot add the port if this is on. Then add the port that suit for this physical. Then after that, turn it on again. Then proceed to the next step. Just need to escape that one. I already do it in West. Yan, I open the physical, then put some parts here and cover this one. Yan. Cover any unused slot to prevent dust from entering the router optional. Part 3, then select the appropriate cable, connect device. Select the appropriate cable type, click the first device and select the specified interface. Click the second device and select the specified interface. If you are connected to the device, you will see the score increase. Device is interface is Gigabyte Internet 0. Cable type is copper straight through. Copper straight through is this one. And connect to switch 1. Gigabyte Ethernet 01. Then is interface Gigabyte 01. Copper straight through switch 4. Gigabyte Ethernet 01. Then is fast Ethernet copper straight through PC1. Fast Ethernet 0. Then also is fast Ethernet 011 copper straight to PC2. Fast Ethernet 0 is fast Ethernet 012 copper straight through PC3. Fast Ethernet 0. Then proceed to switch fast Ethernet 01 copper straight through to PC4. Wrong. This one, switch 1. Then switch fast Ethernet 0 to copper straight to PC5 and fast Ethernet Switch 1 pass Ethernet 03 copper straight through PC6 pass Ethernet 0. And switch 4 pass Ethernet 0 copper straight gigabyte copper crossover. Crossover is this one. Then copper crossover switch 3 gigabyte Ethernet gigabit Ethernet 3.1, then switch 3 gigabit Ethernet 5.1 Piver. Piver is the orange, this one. Piver. I know, Piver. Then switch 2 gigabit Ethernet 5.1, switch 2 to pass Ethernet 0.1 copper straight through PC7, pass Ethernet 0 and switch to pass Ethernet 1.1 copper straight PC8, pass Ethernet 0, switch to pass Ethernet 2.1 to copper straight through PC9, pass Ethernet 0. And is serial 00 serial DCE. Serial DCE is this one to west. Serial DCE connect to west. Serial 000. That's all, guys. So just remember, if you're going to do this one, the first part, just turn it off before to insert a port. Then turn it on after you insert. Then I also do it here. If port is not choosing, just cover it like what I do in West router, then close it. So it's important to use a correct switch to connect the devices to transmit the message well, and to receive and send the message well to the devices. And then that's all, guys.
So thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video and see you again in the next one. Bye bye.